All right, so I mapped this out for the Discord. Possible short entry target down here, possible long entry target up here. So I'm waiting on one of these to play before I enter this trade. If we, of course, break through this 493.20 area, I'm going to enter short. My target's going to be 490. If we bounce here and get back above the 90 EMA and the 20 EMA, I'm going to go long with this my first target and this my second. So right now we're just waiting to see what can possibly happen right here. And then we'll get a trade. I'm making $1,000 for the day's over, so I'll keep everybody updated. We're gonna let this little setup here play out, and then we'll know what to do from there. All right, so we got a volume spike here on the 5-minute coming into this key level here. So I went ahead and entered some puts. I'm up $100. I got 100 contracts at 5 cents. So we're waiting to see if this can break. I'm going to draw a little mini line right here. And once we break this, I should be able to make my $1,000 on the day. But again, we'll see what happens. And we'll go from there. Still trading our trade. I told everybody that my alerts are so easy, a kindergartner could do it. I'm already in the trade. As you can see, we have not broken this bottom level here. If we do, then I should bank. But this video is solely just to show everyone that these alerts work and we can all make money on them if we just stop overcomplicating things and do it. So I'll keep updating everybody, and you guys will see how much money I make when this is over. I know I'm going to make money, but the question is how much. We are still holding strong right here. We're at the breakout point for the downside, so we'll see what happens here. I'm up 200. As you can see, I have 100 contracts right here. I'm up $200 for 40%. I'm going to keep pausing it and coming back and updating everybody. All right, 300 right here for 60%. We're at 493 whole dollar level. $400 for 80% right there. 500. It's so easy, a caveman can do it. So $500 for, or $700 for 140% right there. This is too easy, everybody. Too easy. Too easy. So we're up 600, 120%. We were just up 700. I'm going to pause it again, unless we start breaking down right here. But we will see. Let me pull this back up so everybody can see my profits. First target is going to be 492.32. But whole dollar levels, I mean, we all know we bounce there and hesitate. So see if we get a pullback here to the 90 EMA. Hopefully we continue, but we'll see what happens. I'm not nervous about this, and I'm going to keep making money. Not bad, not bad, not bad. 492.75 bounce. But this is an alert that I put out for everyone, and you can see I'm up $600. If I sell now, I'll make $500 profit. But same alerts I give you guys are the alerts that I take. My question is, why is everyone not doing it? All right, up 800, 160% profit right here. I'm just going to keep pausing it. My first target's right here. Keep pausing it until we see what we can do with this. I'm expecting a bounce anytime now, but hopefully continuation going into power hour. No guarantees in the stock market. The only thing we know is we're going to make money every day. I guess that would be a guarantee though, wouldn't it? All right, still up 800 for 160% right here. My first target is this red line. That's what I'm looking for there. All right, we are at our first target here. I'm still up 800 for 160%. Should bounce now. So 900. Normal people would scale, but not me. I'm up $1,100 and we're going to fucking 490 down here in this bottom zone. Hopefully, $1,200 trade, 240%. We'll see what happens with it. All right, we're still going up 1,500 for 300% right here. 492 whole dollar level. I'm expecting a bounce right here. Not gonna panic. We'll see what's happening. What I'm gonna do here is move over to the, I'm gonna check the 1 minute chart really quick. What we usually see on these whole dollar levels is we'll see like 492, we'll see a bounce back to the 90 MA. And then we'll see a second attempt at the whole dollar level and then we'll continue. But I'm looking for 490. I'll start scaling at the 491 area, but I think we're gonna keep going. So we'll see. We'll see how this trade plays out. What's funny about this whole situation is most people would have scaled their position. You know, they're up $1,000. The whole thing about what I do is I trust myself. I'm very confident in my technical analysis. I know that we're gonna bounce here on 492. That's what we're doing. If we move back to the 1 minute chart, you can see everything's bouncing around. There's wicks, there's everything. Move back to the 5 minute chart. Right here, we can clearly see, or I can clearly see because I've been doing this for so long, and hopefully everybody's kind of catching on now. Trust yourself, trust your technical analysis. I have a zone down here for a reason. This is my target. And I fully believe that we're going to hit that target down there. So I could sell right now for $1,000 profit, or I could sell down here for $3,000 to $5,000 profit. I want the 3,000 to 5,000, and that's what I'm going to get. As you can see over here, I've still got the 100 contracts. I'm up 1,100. I was up 1,500, but I trust my technical analysis, and I'm going to get my zone. And you guys will all see at the end of this video. Trust the process, trust the things that I put out. I'm taking these trades. I want everyone else to do the same. There's no reason that I should be making $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 in a day, and everyone else are just bystanders watching. Watch this, trust it, understand it, and bank with me. That's all I ask of everyone. As you can see, I'm still holding, only up 200. I was up 1,500, but I'm doing this solely to prove a point to the Discord. Everybody thinks it's going to reverse right now, but I trust myself so much. I just went in, added 50 contracts. Now I'm holding 150 for my target down here. As you can see, this level right here is major. With the extra 50 I've added, I've got 150 now. I'm up 499. But we're breaking this level. We're going to come into a double bottom here. We'll have a zone that forms on the bottom, which will be this. We break that, we're going down to my target. So we'll see what happens with it. Still confident. I'm up 650 now. I was just up 800. Okay, now I'm up 800 again for 94%. All we need is to break this little bottom side zone and we are good to go. And it's money in the bank. We can add to that 3,600 I made yesterday. See how much of a payout we can get this week. All right, now we're up 1,250. See if we can keep going here, break this bottom side zone. It's gonna bounce back and forth. This is a major point here. While I map out these zones while I'm live every single day. We break this, it's going to be showtime. But I'm up 1,250 right now for 147% with 150 contracts. What I'm looking for is a break at this bottom side zone, take us down close to this at least. 1,400 right here for 164%. It's all about trusting the process. Normally I would scale these, I would secure my profits, but I'm doing this solely to show people to trust yourself. I trust myself while I'm trading, and everyone else should do the same. If you see something, trust it. But normally I would scale along the way. But we're about to break this zone, and I'm about to make a lot more than the 1500 that I initially had. So let's see what we got here. 491.77. This is a low of 1400 right now. I'm gonna pause this again until we get to moving, obviously, and then I'll pop it back up. And again, we're up 200% for 1700 right here. I'm about to start the scaling process. We're gonna give it a few more seconds, see what happens here, but up now 1550. I'll take it. That's more than the last time, but I do think we're gonna continue down right here. So there's, what is that? Yep, that's 2,000 motherfucking dollars. And that's how we do it. And it's gonna keep going. There we go, 2,300. What a time to be alive. I could have took the $1,500 in profit a moment ago, but guess what? I trusted myself and I added to that position. Something not many people would do. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna start taking those profits. I'll pause it and we get the continuation here and we'll start it back up. All right, here we go. 2,300. I'm still been holding. I'm waiting. All right, look at that. 2,600 fucking dollars for 300%. 323 for 2,750. 3,050 right here in profits total. Trust the fucking process. We don't post this for no reason. So let's see here. Another scale point on this. I'm gonna take out, we got 150, I'm gonna take out 75 if we can get, okay, it's still going, 3650 on profit side. So let's take off 75 contracts here. $75 contracts off of the table. This is a $4,000 day, people. Trust it, trust it, trust it. So 394%. We're still going. About to get 400 right here. Come on. All right, I'm gonna take off 25 more right here because we're hesitating. All right, we're holding 50. Oh, wait. Yeah, okay, we got 50 left. Thought I was wrong there for a second. Now, hopefully when everyone in the Discord watches this, you guys start to trust it. Stop overanalyzing, trust the process. I did do things unconventionally today, added on that pullback. Normally I never do that, but I just wanted to show people I trust myself. I trust my technical analysis. I know I can make money. And what did I just do? I took that $1,500 trade that I could have took profits on and turned it into fucking $4,000. And it still could go more than that. We'll see what happens here. I'm up 341% on these last ones that I'm holding. We got 50 right here. Let's see if we can take it down below 491. I'm expecting a bounce right here. Obviously, it's a 491 whole dollar level. So at this bounce point, since it is getting later in the day and it's 0 DTE, it's going to decay. So I'm going to take 25 more contracts off. 25 more contracts off, as you can see up here. We're doing it. So I've just secured literally $4,000 in profits because I trusted myself. 25 there. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and take off 20 more of those because it is getting late and this power hour coming. I don't want to gamble too much there. I made $4,000. So I'm going to hold these last 5. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and close this video out. I wanted to do this to show everybody, trust your fucking self. Trust the alerts that I put out. Don't overanalyze it. Don't question it. Hey, well, when did you enter? I'm telling you guys when I enter, when I exit, everything. Trust it. Trust it. We have these targets for a reason. No, we may not hit the actual target, but we enter short right here. I made 4,000 over here. What are we doing, everybody? Come on.